In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Binance. If you've ever landed on a page and wished everything was in a language you're more comfortable with, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll make the switch right on the Binance website, and I'll share a few helpful tips so your interface looks exactly the way you expect. Start by opening the official Binance website in your browser. Any modern browser works fine, and you don't need to be logged in to change the display language. Once the homepage loads, move your eyes to the top right corner of the page. That's where Binance keeps its global language control. You'll either see a small globe icon or a short code like EN, which stands for English. This is your language selector. Click that globe icon or the EN label to open the language menu. A panel will appear with a list of supported languages. Binance offers a wide range, including English, Filipino, and many others, so you can pick the one that feels most natural to you. Take a moment to scan the list and choose your preferred language. When you click on it, Binance will immediately update the interface. The page will auto-refresh to apply your choice. That's completely normal. After the refresh, the menus, buttons, and prompts should display in the language you selected. Give the page a quick glance to confirm everything looks right. If you accidentally pick the wrong option, no problem. Just return to the top right corner, open the language menu again, and select a different one. You can repeat this as often as you like until the interface matches your preference. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Binance supports many languages, so if you don't see yours at first glance, scroll through the full list to find the best match. If you're changing the language inside the Binance mobile app, be aware that the app may restart after you switch. That's a normal part of applying the new setting. Also, on some phones, the app may follow your device's language automatically. If your app seems to switch back or not reflect your choice, check your phone's system language and region settings. That's all it takes. You've successfully changed the display language on Binance, and you can adjust it anytime using the same control. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a quick language refresh.